Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
I've finally got the phone I've been waiting for, the Vivo X Fold 6. And the first thing that surprised me, just how unbelievably thin and light it feels. The rounded corners and 2.5D metal frame make it super comfortable to hold, while the premium finish instantly stands out. Mine is the Silver Lake version, and it's easily my favorite. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. The pearl-inspired back shimmers beautifully as light hits it, giving the phone a classy, elegant look without being over the top. But the biggest upgrade isn't the design, it's the brand new Orion OS 6 Fold. It's built specifically for foldables, turning the large display into a true productivity machine. Unfold it and you're opening a much bigger workspace. The highlight is the new Atomic Workbench. Unlike before, now you can run 4 apps side by side in parallel with no overlapping windows. Better yet, you can freely resize each one to make full use of the display. Perfect timing too. I got the X Fold 6 during the NBA Finals and the World Cup. Instead of choosing one, I watched both at the same time while browsing forums and chatting in the other windows. Whenever I wanted to focus on one match, switching layouts took just a tap. The whole experience was smooth and seriously impressive. Entertainment is great, but productivity is where this phone really shines. Need to copy data from an image into a spreadsheet? Just drag the image into Atomic Workbench and it instantly converts it into an editable table, saving tons of time. It also supports real-time drag-and-drop translation and instant text extraction, so you can finish office work directly on the big screen without feeling limited by a normal phone display. Another feature I loved is AI meeting recording. Record your meeting, and the phone automatically transcribes, identifies different speakers, and creates a complete summary. You can even share it instantly through WeChat or Lark. For most office work, you won't even need a laptop. For heavier tasks, simply switch to computer mode, connect it to a monitor or TV, add a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and it becomes a portable desktop. The phone even works as a touchpad, while the Vivo Office Suite makes screen sharing and cross-device collaboration effortless. And speaking of productivity, did you buy anything during the recent shopping festival? Ever seen people open multiple shopping apps just to compare prices? Constantly switching between apps gets annoying, but that's where this foldable has another clever trick. And here's where things get even smarter. With Atomic Workbench, shopping becomes effortless. Instead of jumping between apps, you can compare products from multiple stores side by side. It even finds similar items across different platforms, while built-in calculators and spreadsheets make price comparisons instant. It's honestly one of the smartest shopping features I've seen on a phone. Powering all this is the new Dimensity 9500, co-developed by Vivo and MediaTek over 2 years. It's heavily optimized for AI and multitasking, while the new Edge-side ASR Zephyr model makes AI recording, speech recognition, and transcription both faster and more accurate. Now let's talk cameras. The Vivo X Fold 6 packs a true flagship ZEISS imaging system with a 21-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel APO 3x periscope telephoto, and an ultra-wide camera. Vivo also introduces the new ZEISS G2 teleconverter, adding one-screen framing and instant snapshot support. The pop-up quick launch mechanism activates the teleconverter the moment you open or close the phone. Framing feels faster, shooting becomes more precise, and the whole experience is surprisingly close to using a professional camera. Portability is another big win. The upgraded 2.3x G2 teleconverter is smaller and easier to carry. Combined with the built-in 3x periscope lens, it reaches an equivalent 200mm focal length, delivering sharp, long-distance shots with natural optical background blur that software simply can't match. Even without the teleconverter, photography is outstanding. The ZEISS 200-megapixel ultra-clear main camera and Vivo's V3 imaging system produce detailed photos with natural colors, while night shots stay clean and impressive. Now for the features everyone cares about: battery, durability, and signal. The X Fold 6 checks every box with IP5X, IPX8, and IPX9 protection, and it even works in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, making it ready for harsh conditions. Battery life is just as impressive. Vivo's Flagship Blue Ocean battery, paired with 80-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging, keeps battery anxiety away, even during heavy use on the large display. After using the Vivo X Fold 6 for a few days, I'm convinced AI and foldables are the future. I used to wonder how to fully use a large screen. Now I simply unfold the phone and Orion OS 6 Fold intelligently does the rest. The base model starts at 7,999 yuan in China, around £889 in the UK, or about $1,177 in the USA. A full, in-depth review is coming very soon, so if you don't want to miss it, subscribe now and join our tech community. That's it for today's look at the Vivo X Fold 6. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!